Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Decided to go ahead and pick up the juice pack, and this is the slim version. This is Mophie. I used to get a lot of Mophie stuff back in the day, but this one I wanted it because it's slim. Hopefully it's as slim as it says it's going to be, because I don't like to wear cases a lot of times, and this might be great for me. So looking around the box here, it tells you can get up to 42 hours of talk time using this case, 42 hours of playback using this case, 13 hours of video playback using this case, LED indicators, and it's got a slim compact design. So this is what I'm looking for. Hopefully it's rounded like this and not boxy to match the phone, and give me a different feel with the phone itself. But they have these for all models. So if you have a Pro Max, just hit the link in the description and you'll be able to navigate to it. But there you go. Slim protection charging case. So this is really, really sweet. Let's get it open here. And you can pause and look at the box or whatever you need to do if you want to check out more stuff, or just go to the link in the description. All right. Oh, nice. Okay, so they're kind of getting their little game on here like this now. With it looks like a case, regular case. All right, so there's the case, and it is slim. And folks, that's it. You can scan that for a quick guide, but here is the case itself. Yeah, that's exactly what I need right there. It's not a bulky case by any means, and it is nice and slim. That is what I'm talking about. So pretty excited to finally get this, man. Oh yeah, and see, it doesn't have like the big bulkiness on there. And it's going to pop off on the top like that. If you're wondering how to get it off, the reason I like that and not the kind that bends is because over time those will wear out. But this is a hard case all around, and it just goes in through this little locking mechanism right there. So it is nice and tight. It's going to stay on there. Here's the LED indicator right here. Looks like there's only one, but it needs to be charged, but looks like there's only one on there. So yeah, I think it's dead. Yeah, it's only one, but we're going to go ahead and fit it and put it on. Let me grab the iPhone 16 Pro. And I like that this is a soft touch matte feel. So it will show like greasiness probably, but you just make sure you put it on like that. And you put the top on. This will also make your phone a little taller too, because it's got a little bit on the bottom. And you hit that button down there, and hopefully it'll show a little bit of juice there. Oh no, let me hold it. There we go. So it's charging. You can see there, it is charging, which is really nice. But it's only one on here, so this will die soon. But this, I almost deleted my thing. This is really nice. It gives you a little bit something more to hold on to. Let me bring in the Max just to show you what this is working with here. It's about the size of a Max now. Yeah, so that's going to be something you'll have to deal with if you decide to pick this up. It's just a little long in the hand. But if you go around the side here, here's the power button, which is like a brushed, or not a brush, a chrome type black on here. Then you got your camera button right there, and that's how the buttons are over here. And you can see how all the cutouts and everything on here. So the speakers are not going to come through the front right here. They're going to project up and come through the front. So that's really, really cool. And then the cameras, I have camera modules on here, but if you didn't, your camera modules will probably be a little recessed. Like I have camera module protectors on here, so yours will be a little bit recessed. But let's press the camera button, as a matter of fact, and you can see it works good. I still haven't used it since I did the last update. It's been a long time. But here it is, man. This is the Mophie Juice Pack, man. This is really nice because it's slim. It's slim. And you compare it to a case, you're getting about the same thickness. It's just that you get a battery. You get a battery. Yeah, you're getting about the same thickness. It's just you get more battery in there. So hit the link in the description if you want to grab yours. I appreciate you guys looking on. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.